Hey everybody, we've come inside from out in the bustle, and I'm live with Pal here. Pal?
Yes, Pal.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Pal, we've got a little shop here, and he's going to take us through a bit of the spices that.
You will find different kind of spices which we sell here. You know, the famous India is famous for the spices. So this is the one which is tandoori.
Yeah.
Tandoori is for the barbecue. For chicken, mutton, fish, vegetable, cheese, anything which you grill, you can put this. They mix this with the yogurt, the plain yogurt. Apply on the stuff. Wait for 1.5 to 2 hours to marinate it, and then you grill it, and you will love and enjoy.
Lovely.
See,
So
just smell.
Tandoori.
Yeah, this is tandoori.
Oh, that smells glorious. You can't.
Yes.
People on Facebook can't smell that, but I can tell you that it does smell lovely. So that's the tandoori. So
And then this is the curry powder.
we have the curry powder.
This is curry powder,
Yeah.
which comes from the south of India.
South of India.
Yes. This is also very, very good to make any sort of curry.
Right.
Yes.
What sort of spices are in? Just curry leaves itself, or
No.
lots of different
It
spices?
has got different spices like this here. You can see
Right.
turmeric, fenugreek, black pepper, salt,
It's a real mix.
dry ginger, cardamom, cassia, poppy seeds, white pepper. Many kind of spices mixed in these.
Right. Where do you blend your spices?
In Delhi.
In Delhi?
Yes.
Okay.
And all these are the packs of the spices which are easy for person to carry.
Yeah.
Because it's all sealed packed.
Yes.
See, with the details, with the license and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So one can carry to any part of the world.
Right.
And these all different packets like tandoori, garam masala, chicken masala, for vegetable.
masala.
This is for mutton,
Yeah.
for biryani, the rice with mutton, rice
Biryani.
with chicken, biryani.
Iran.
Rice with mutton, rice with chicken, rice with vegetables.
Yeah.
And this is the curry powder.
Curry powder again.
Yes.
With the cumin, I love them both.
Cumin,
Yeah,
right?
I love the cumin. Yeah. It's one of my favourites.
Yeah. Just smell the cumin.
I love that. That's one of my favourite flavours. Yeah. Star anise.
Star anise.
We spell that different in.
ANIS.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Different spelling.
Yes.
Okay.
Green
Bit of
cardamom. You
cardamom,
can just smell the green cardamom quality, which we get from the south of India.
South of India.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's strong. Whoa.
Normally, that big and that much strong you will not easily find.
No.
You find the small pieces.
Wow, it's really strong.
We have specialized in these kind of things. We try to keep the best product.
Yeah.
Maybe we are 5 to 7% expensive than the market, but we guarantee for the quality.
Okay. Well, we got tea down. There's a tea.
Yeah,
Jasmine
tea
Earl
is
Grey.
there.
Yeah, you've got
Here
tea.
You can see the tea. This is the masala tea.
Masala tea. Yep.
Chai.
Which I see them chai tea, which they're
With cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, and star anise.
yeah, beautiful. Oh, it smells lovely. Look at that.
Yes.
Look at that, everybody. It's
This is
fantastic.
a mango tea
Mango tea.
with
Yep.
the real mango pieces, the dry mangoes.
Okay.
Yes. This is our specialty.
So look at that. Have a- Oh, that smells glorious.
Yes.
That
And
mango
we have
tea
got
is
tea
lovely.
from Kashmir. This
Yeah.
is Kashmiri kahwa.
Kashmiri tea. Yeah.
This is the natural herbal tea with cardamom, cinnamon, and almond added to this.
Oh wow.
This tea is very good for relaxation, to relax your body.
You can smell the cinnamon coming
Yes.
through really clearly.
Cinnamon, cardamom, and almond.
Yeah, beautiful.
And then orange tea, jasmine tea, vanilla tea,
Lots of different flavors.
green tea, fine,
Yeah.
rose tea, Earl
Chocolate.
Grey, chocolate tea with the cocos.
The cocoa nibs.
Just smell.
Feel like I need some tea.
And these are different kind of packs of these.
Right.
These kind of packs are money saving pack.
Yep. The mango tea. and
Yes,
everything.
mango, masala, and Kashmir tea.
So what do you like to cook with? What's your favorite cooking spice?
Spice,
yeah.
Spice is tandoori. My favorite.
Your
is
favorite's tandoori. Okay.
I love eating tandoori.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And then in the tea, I love Kashmir tea.
Kashmir tea.
Kahwa is a very, very good tea.
That's your favorite.
I add honey on this one,
Yeah?
and that goes very delicious.
Fantastic. Oh, well, that's great. Who's the other turmeric down there? Used a lot.
Turmeric.
Yeah.
This is turmeric whole,
That's the whole.
and this
There
is
we go.
turmeric.
Can we have a look at the whole turmeric? Can we
Sure.
look at that? So that's before it's been ground up. It's
Yes.
the turmeric root. There we go. And that's its natural colour, obviously.
Yeah.
It's the bright. My wife
And this is the
puts
turmeric powder.
turmeric on the face.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
as a medicinal. Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah.
Because turmeric is a very good antibiotic also.
Yes. Yes. Lots of
Even if
health
we get a bite
benefits.
from the dog, we apply
Yeah.
turmeric on the dog.
Okay.
It's a very, very good antiseptic.
Okay. Good to know. Well, thank you very much for that. Well, that's very, very good. Well, there, everybody. We're going to have a look around the rest of the markets later on, but do come back. It's quite exciting here. And thanks for watching. We'll say goodbye.
Very much. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.